Hello everybody, thank you for your support of Willtopia channels. Remember to hit the like and subscribe and share the video. And let's get started. So today we get a new batch of spinner called SPINME. It look like the true spinners, but it's made from pure coppers, just like Sankang. Maybe they will give it a better spin time, and let's find out. So this is SPINME, and this is Angry Wolf that we reviewed before. So let's take it out. And this is I Love Fidget, and these all like the newer kind of spinners, and they all look similar, but they're a little bit different. So this is SPINME. It'll give you extra bearing if you. So these, and they're all these, they're in the $35 range, but the true spinners is right now is $29. So this is kind of like very shiny coppers. So you can see that this is shiny too. This is stainless. This is coppers, and this is kind of brush stainless. And the true spinner is made from brass. So it's brass, coppers, and stainless steel. Alright, so let's get started. So we will spin our Sankang first, and the true spinner, the Chillax, and our Valkyrie. So all three of those has a price of $36. I don't know what, they just make it up. So this is the SPINME Copper Spinners and choking hazards. Cool design, same as the Angry Wolf. There's a printed front and the back. The older one is a tin case. The newer one is black, but we don't see any differences on the spin times. So they look like they just upgrade their case. And I FIDGET. So it's just printed out I Heart FIDGET. So each metal spinners, different material, they give you a little bit different spin sound. So this is kind of like copper spin sound. You have a stainless steel spin sound, and this is the brass spin sound. They all make some metal noise, but we will take a look on the weight and the sound after the spin time. So besides the case, like this one, the SPINME give you extra bearing. If you want to buy it, maybe it's another $5, but at least they give you extra one. And the Angry Wolf just give the spinner this kind of form inside. And I Heart FIDGET, this is similar material that the Angry Wolf. So they don't give you the tool to open it up. So all these newer spinners, they all come with R188. So they will at least probably spin for 5 minutes or more, and we'll just find out. So you can see that the spin pattern is give you a very similar light effect like Sankang. But this one is more like very like chrome coppers, and the Sankang one is kind of dullish, similar to Angry Wolf, kind of brush metal look and feel. And these three, they're kind of like very shiny chrome. But this is the true spinner is made from brass, and this is copper, and that's a stainless. And some of those, I think that this one is made from zinc. This is the shim shell is very good, like around at $10 to $15. Give you very good spin time, 6 to 7 minutes for $15 metal rainbow, and very quiet. And remember to buy from a shim shell or other that Epson, because they will stand behind the product. If you just buy those just launch vendor from Amazon, you don't know what you're gonna get. Even though it's cheaper, like you can spend $3 to $5. You have to wait, then you don't know what you get. The shim shell, at least they're willing to put their names on the caps, so they will stand behind the products. And remember to check out the other review. We reviewed the spin cubes. It's very cool. It's the cubes, and also there is a spin top. So, but if you want to buy from the original inventor on the Kickstarter page. It will be in the video link too. So it's cool. Look at the angry wolf has slowed down, so we're probably gonna hit 6 minutes. So now our Chillax stops at probably 6 minutes. It's not that Chillax is bad, it's just all the newer spinners, they are catching up, and they give you pretty good spin time now. So Chillax can spin for 6 minutes. It's stopped. And who's going to stop next? So they are very close, because you can see all three of them are stainless steel. And the Valkyrie is around $50, and this around like $36. So the iHeart FIDGET stop, and Angry Wolf stops, and the Valkyrie just keep going. It's stopped now. And let's see if this look like SPINME are pretty resilient, and look like you can spin longer than true spinners. And our true spinners stop at 7 minutes and 50 seconds. Almost make it to 8 minutes. So let's see if the SPINME can outspin the Sunken. It's very close, but we spin Sankang first. So there's probably 5-second gap between the SPINME and Sankang. But let's see. Stop at 8 minutes and 38 seconds. Pretty impressive, but see if the Sankang can make it to 9 minutes. It's close, but not quite there. So that's it. We can say probably close to 9 minutes for the Sankang, but the SPINME is coming second. And let's take a look. So it's very nice, but doesn't have a full circle. I don't know why. Maybe then they give you the different spin patterns. So let's see. So I'm not sure that they keep it open both sides. So it's pretty quiet and they're quite heavy. So let's see if they're in difference. So this is 3.85, quite heavy. This is 3.15, and this one is only 2.5, and this one is 3.1. So all these 3.25. So this one is heaviest, 3.8, and inside is our 190 bearing with the secure ring, and I think it's similar to all these. But the copper gives you a lot of weight, 3.8, and pretty good spin times. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Remember to hit the like and subscribe buttons. I'll see you next time. Bye.